Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connected on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Turn off Wi-Fi assist. Step 1. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on mobile services. Step 3. Scroll down and turn off the toggle for Wi-Fi assist. Step 4. Now go back to your main settings screen. Step 5. Tap on Wi-Fi and try connecting again. Solution 2. Use airplane mode. Step 1. Swipe down to open the control center. Step 2. Turn on airplane mode. Step 3. Wait for few seconds and turn off airplane mode and try connecting to Wi-Fi again. Solution 3. Turn off network and wireless. Step 1. Open the settings app on your device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Step 3. Tap on location services. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on system services. Step 5. Here turn off the toggle for network and wireless. Step 6. Tap on turn off. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Step 1. Open the settings app. Step 2. Tap on general. Step 3. Scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Step 4. Select reset. Step 5. Tap on reset network settings. Step 6. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Step 7. Confirm by typing reset network settings again. That's it. Hopefully one of these solutions help you to get your Wi-Fi working again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and fixes. See you in the next one.